Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Brie, and today I'm going to be trying something viral. This has been viral for quite some time now, and I finally got my hands on this item, and it is the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. I'm so excited to try it. I got it in a 001, so that's the pink. I know a lot of people have been getting the clear one, but I decided to just try this one out because I really like the color. My only thing at this moment is the price. It was $40, and you'll see why. To me, the price is like, So opening this item, I got this at Dillard's. I did not order it, so unfortunately, I didn't get all those freebies that they give at Dior, but hopefully, I try it next time ordering online. But here's the little box. Then you open it, and it's a beautiful pink. The front says a Dior lip oil glow. This is quite a small size. I honestly expected something bigger. I don't know just me, or cause like I don't usually buy expensive lip makeup. I usually get my stuff at the drugstore. So yeah, this is the size. It was very underwhelming to open when I first opened it, but oh well. The packaging is super cute though. I really like how it's just a little square body, and then it has the CD on the top of it, and there's the little 001 at the bottom. And let's read what the box says. The box says that now a must-have for makeup artists, Dior Addict Lip Glow is available as a glossy lip oil that deeply protects and enhances the lips, lastingly bringing out their natural color. So it should bring out my natural lip color. As you see, I have nothing at the moment, so we're going to try that for sure. With its color reviver technology, Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil reacts directly with the moisture level in each woman's lips for custom color. Its non-sticky, non-greasy oil texture combines the mirror shine of a gloss with the comfort of intense lip care. Enriched with cherry oil, its pampering formula creates a protective film against stress factors and drying. It saturates the lips with nutrients and revitalizes the lips with an immediate and lasting effect. So we're gonna see how this looks. Oops, you just twist it open. And look at all this product. It's such a beautiful applicator. It's quite large. I've never seen an applicator this big. So hopefully it's soft. You see all the product there. And then we're gonna try this on my lips. There's like no smell, little to no smell, which is interesting. And this applicator is so soft. And there is the little pink color on my lips. It did enhance my lip color. This is semi-sticky, so it's not that bad if you care about stickiness. Just nice little pink color. And there's a huge difference between when I was wearing nothing to this. So I really like it. I have tried this on, and I tried on one day, and it lasted me for about like an hour or two because I decided to eat. And afterwards, my lips did feel nice and hydrated, so I do recommend this. The one thing is the price. If you can get over the price, then you can find this. And I've heard there's dupes, but I have not tried the dupes or tried to find the dupes, so hopefully I'll be trying that next. Let me know what you guys think about this Dior Lip Glow Oil, and if you would buy it, or if you have purchased the other colors, because I saw that there were darker colors, but I don't know, like I'm not a person to try bright light colors on my lips. So if you guys recommend it, I'll try them on, and maybe they look different on my lips, but who knows. Please let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to watch, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.